How to reverse memory loss from sleep deprivation fast. Sleep deprivation can significantly impair memory, making it harder to concentrate and retain information. Fortunately, there are effective strategies to reverse memory loss caused by insufficient sleep. Discover the memory-saving breakthrough that's helping seniors reverse memory loss. Visit the link below in the description to find out how to reverse memory loss. Here are some quick and practical ways to recover your cognitive abilities. 1. Prioritize sleep. The most crucial step in reversing memory loss is to get enough quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night, and follow a consistent sleep schedule. Ensure your environment is quiet, dark, and cool to promote deep rest. 2. Take short, effective naps. If you're recovering from sleep deprivation, taking a 20 to 30-minute nap in the afternoon can rejuvenate your memory and improve focus. Avoid longer naps, as they may interfere with nighttime sleep. 3. Engage in cognitive exercises. Stimulating your brain with activities like puzzles, reading, or learning new skills can improve memory. Regular mental exercises strengthen neural connections and enhance memory retrieval. 4. Exercise regularly. Physical activity, especially aerobic exercises, boosts blood flow to the brain, promoting memory recovery. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days, whether through walking, cycling, or yoga. 5. Eat brain-boosting foods. A nutrient-rich diet supports memory function. Focus on foods high in omega-3s, like fish and walnuts, antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, and vitamins B and D, found in eggs, fish, and dairy. 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress can worsen memory loss. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness to reduce stress levels and protect your brain from further damage. 7. Seek professional help if needed. If memory issues persist, consider consulting a healthcare professional. A sleep specialist or neurologist can provide personalized guidance to address any underlying conditions. By following these steps, you can quickly reverse memory loss from sleep deprivation and restore your cognitive function. Consistency is key. Make these changes a part of your routine for lasting improvements. Discover the memory-saving breakthrough that's helping seniors reverse memory loss. Visit the link below in the description to find out how to reverse memory loss. Consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.